things floating in here, because literally we've just had to be very careful about how we, take out things from here, make sure that we power wash everything before we take it up to the second and the third floor. But you see the cement, sort of the same thing that we've done with the courtyard out there. And maybe don't go too far in because you smell the mold. So this used to be a space where that was our little cafeteria. And this used to be a space where, we had a picnic table and gave the kids a little bit more space. But pretty much this is what